In this channel, we like to capture life. We capture the moment.
I believe in you.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's been a while. We're on vacation. We're in Anderson, South Carolina, and today we're going to check out some waterfalls. So come on, go along with us. All right, so that right there behind me is what is called Table Rock. And you can actually, I think, hike up that. It's like 5 miles, something like that. I am not going to do that, but we're going to get some waterfall pictures. It's kind of like an outlook, an overlook where you can see back in through there. So let's go get some waterfalls. So the first waterfall that we're going to is none other than Hooker Falls. You don't realize how out of shape you are until you go hiking. So let's go check out this waterfall. The next waterfall that we are going to is called Triple Falls, and I believe it is actually one of the fall that a scene in the Hunger Games was filmed at. It's supposed to be. I don't know how factual that is, but let's go check it out. This is the greatest sound. I love this sound. Hopefully you can hear it. Go on a hike, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Well, let's do this. Well, once I catch my breath, I'll show you the waterfall and the fact that it was totally worth it to hike this up here. And if the camera is shaky, that is my bad. I am still trying to catch my breath. See you guys in a few. Favorite part's going downhill. All right, so our third waterfall that we're going to is called High Falls. And another hike there. I don't think it'll be as long or about the same as the other one. The other one was pretty steep, so hopefully it's not that bad. But maybe another waterfall. Here's one view of High Falls. We're going to try and go down a little farther and get closer to it and stuff like that, but it's pretty cool. So that last one was High Falls, last waterfall of the day. It's definitely one of the great ones to end with. So this is concluding today's adventure. Now, as a reward for hiking all of this and doing all of the trails that we did today, my friend Mandy and I were gonna go get some crumble cookie. We're gonna go to Target and get some stuff for tomorrow's adventure. Hopefully I can get a video for that tomorrow, depending on if I can take my GoPro or not. But even today being as much fun as it has been, I want to take a more serious note. On one of the trails that we did today, we saw something that really nobody wants to see. We don't know what happened. We don't know the extent of it. But we did see what looked like somebody was doing CPR on somebody. So, right now, all the believers in Jesus that watch this video, that watch my channel, right now we are standing in agreement that that gentleman, that woman, whoever it was, that they are okay, that God's hand is upon them, that he protects them, and that they know him, and that there is peace with the person, with his family, her family, whoever it was. And we just pray healing over their body. If it was a heart attack, whatever it was, we don't know what it was if they fell. We just pray complete, and we speak complete healing over them, whatever the situation is. And we praise Jesus, and we thank God for everything. No matter the circumstance, he is with us always. So thank you guys for watching today's adventure. We'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. If not, we'll see you on Sunday's adventure. See you guys.